What's up guys, this is R.V.C and this is my first impression of this mini keyboard. I purchased this keyboard from GearBest for roughly $10. It is actually called Mini Keyboard UKB-500-RF. Don't worry about the name because I will leave the link in the description below. From the box we have some recommendations of where we can use this keyboard. We have HTPC, which is Home Theater PC, PlayStation 3. I believe it will work with PlayStation 4 as well. An Xbox 360, PC with Windows OS, Mac and Linux. Inside the packaging we get nothing extraordinary, just this tiny keyboard, a USB cable to charge the keyboard, a battery and a user manual which we all don't read. And by the way, the keyboard comes in only one color option, black. The main reason why I purchased this keyboard is because of how tiny it is. It is the smallest keyboard I've ever seen. I mean a keyboard that you can connect to a PC, not like keyboards from BlackBerry. The keyboard itself weighs 109 grams. It measures 14.6 by 9.7 by 1.6 centimeter. Imagine with all the small dimension, it packs a full QWERTY keyboard with a touch panel. That's how tiny it is. The keyboard itself is divided into two sections. The first section packs a full QWERTY keyboard with function, control, alternative, page up and page down buttons. The other section we have media navigation buttons, right and left mouse click button, a touch panel and a navigation button with an OK button in the middle. When we flip the keyboard, we have a battery compartment and a USB wireless receiver at the back. You need to open the back in order to get access to the battery and the USB wireless receiver. We also have a mini USB port for charging the keyboard and a button to power on or power off the keyboard. When you power it on, you will see a red LED light blinking. The buttons feel intact and doesn't feel cheap at all. The keyboard itself feels comfortable to hold. I tested the touch panel and it's very responsive and works as it should. Well, powering this tiny keyboard is an 800 mAh battery, but my unit came with a 1020 mAh battery. I don't know if it's a mistake or I was just lucky to get this 1020 mAh battery. Anyway, with this 800 mAh battery, you can get up to 10 days of normal usage and a standby of 30 days. The good thing is that the battery is rechargeable and you can just charge it rather than buying another battery. Would I recommend this mini keyboard? 100% yes. First of all, it's cheap. Second thing, you can use it with multiple devices. And finally, the build quality is good. Well, that's basically it about this mini keyboard. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.